Sealing and insulating window headers right can seriously save you cash and keep your house cozy, so let's get that figured out. Alright, first off, forget just blowing in insulation like some folks do. It often settles and leaves gaps, which is a no-go. Instead, cutting rock wool to fit snugly inside headers is clutch because it doesn't compress and keeps its shape, so no drafts sneaking through. You can also try rigid foam board insulation. It's firm and fits into tight spots better than fluffy stuff. Spray foam kits from home improvement stores are another solid bet since they expand to fill every nook and cranny, creating a tight seal that knocks out air leaks. When you only have about 2 inches of space, foam insulation is probably your best friend because it packs a punch in a small area. Don't forget to seal the edges with caulk or spray foam to stop any airflow around the insulation itself. Also, layering a piece of thermosheath rigid foam inside can bump up your R value, giving you better thermal resistance. Just make sure you measure twice and cut once so everything fits perfectly without squishing the insulation. One of the biggest mistakes people make with window header insulation is relying on loose fill insulation alone, which settles and leaves gaps over time. Fix that by using dense materials like rock wool or rigid foam. Another common problem is ignoring air leaks around the header. Even the best insulation won't help if air is sneaking past unsealed cracks, so always seal edges with spray foam or caulk. Lastly, underestimating the importance of the right thickness for your insulation can kill your efforts. Make sure you pick insulation that fits the depth of your header space to maximize energy efficiency. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with stuff like window insulation and home upgrades. For contractors, it's a solid way to get real leads and build a strong client base without all the hassle of advertising everywhere.